Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to disable or enable NFC in your mobile device, especially if you're concerned about its use with Chrome browser. Let's get started. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It's a short-range wireless technology that allows your phone to communicate with other devices or tags by simply being nearby. It's often used for contactless payments, quick file transfers, or scanning smart tags. You might want to disable NFC if you don't use it for anything, you're worried about security or privacy, you want to save a bit of battery life. Disabling NFC will also prevent websites from using it through Chrome. To manage NFC settings specifically inside the Chrome browser on your mobile, follow these steps. Open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the list, scroll down and tap on Site Settings, then tap on NFC devices. Here, you can toggle NFC on or off for Chrome. This setting controls whether websites opened in Chrome are allowed to access nearby NFC devices. If you're not using this feature, it's a good idea to keep it turned off. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable NFC and how it relates to Chrome Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.